design enthusiasts, welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, the place where we turn your living spaces into masterpieces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family today. We are stepping into the heart of the home to explore the sophisticated world of luxury modern kitchen designs. But what does luxury modern actually mean in today's world? It is far more than just a high price tag. A luxury modern kitchen is defined by a seamless marriage of cutting-edge technology, high-quality artisanal materials, and a minimalist aesthetic that prioritizes both form and function. It is a space characterized by clean lines, handle-less cabinetry, and an uncluttered philosophy that hides the chaos of cooking behind sleek surfaces. In this design style, every element is intentional, from the way the light hits a book, matched marble backsplash, to the silent glide of a custom drawer. It is a space that feels expansive, even in smaller footprints, because it utilizes integrated appliances and hidden storage to maintain a polished, gallery-like appearance. Essentially, a luxury modern kitchen is a sanctuary of efficiency wrapped in an envelope of breathtaking elegance. Investing in a luxury modern kitchen offers a multitude of benefits that extend far beyond simple aesthetics. First and foremost is the significant increase in property value. The kitchen remains the most influential room for home appraisals, and a high-end, modern design ensures your home stays competitive in the luxury market for years to come. Beyond the financial aspect, these kitchens are engineered for an improved quality of life. The integration of ergonomic layouts and professional-grade appliances means that meal preparation becomes a joy rather than a chore. Furthermore, luxury modern designs prioritize durability by using premium materials like quartz, natural stone, and high-quality hardwoods. Your kitchen is built to withstand the rigors of daily use while maintaining its brand-new look. There is also a psychological benefit to the clean, streamlined environment of a modern kitchen. The lack of visual clutter promotes a sense of calm and order, making it the perfect hub for both quiet morning coffees and high-energy social gatherings. 2. Make your luxury modern kitchen look truly exceptional. The secret lies in the balance of textures and the less is more approach to styling. Start by establishing a focal point, such as a massive kitchen island with a waterfall edge or a dramatic floor-to-ceiling wine display. Lighting plays a crucial role. Instead of standard fixtures, opt for architectural recessed lighting paired with oversized sculptural pendant lights over the island to add a touch of drama. When it comes to the surfaces, don't be afraid to mix materials. Pair matte black cabinetry with warm wood accents or polished stone to create visual depth. Decorate with intention rather than crowding the counters with small appliances. Choose a few high-end statement pieces, like a designer espresso machine or a handcrafted ceramic vase with a single architectural branch. Keep the color palette sophisticated and cohesive, using tonal variations of neutrals or bold, moody darks to evoke a sense of high-end hotel living. Finally, ensure your window treatments are sleek and motorized, allowing natural light to highlight the precision of your kitchen's craftsmanship. The best items for a luxury modern kitchen are those that combine invisible technology with striking visual appeal. At the top of the list are integrated appliances, refrigerators, dishwashers, and ovens that are hidden behind custom cabinetry panels to maintain a continuous, sleek look. A professional-grade induction cooktop is a must-have, offering precise temperature control and a flat, easy-to-clean surface that blends into the countertop. For the ultimate chef's kitchen feel, consider a built-in steam oven or a vacuum sealing drawer for sous vide cooking. High-end hardware is another essential. Even if your cabinets are handle-less, the internal mechanisms should be soft-close and heavy-duty. In terms of fixtures, a touchless high-arc faucet in a finish like brushed gold or gunmetal acts as the jewelry of the sink area. Don't forget a dedicated beverage station or a hidden pantry scullery to keep the main prep area pristine. Lastly, smart home integration where you can control your lighting, oven preheating, and even your grocery list from a single tablet is the ultimate hallmark of a modern luxury kitchen. Creating a luxury modern kitchen is about more than just following a trend. It's about crafting a space that reflects your lifestyle and your appreciation for fine craftsmanship. It is a place where memories are made over gourmet meals and where the beauty of the design inspires you every single day. Whether you are planning a full renovation or just looking to add a few high-end touches, remember that luxury is found in the details, the silence of a drawer, the coolness of a stone counter, and the perfect glow of a well-placed light. If you enjoyed this deep dive into luxury modern kitchens, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for your weekly dose of home inspiration. We would love to hear from you. Which of these luxury features is your absolute favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video as we continue to design the home of your dreams.